This is a official unboxing review. I was selected as a tester for Mygolfspy for Sundogs. They sent me 2 pair of sunglasses, and blessed to be able to live on a golf course, but it's so stinking busy today. Can't even get out there right now to do the review on there. So I'm gonna try not to get attacked by bees. And I'm gonna do this here. See what we got in this box. It showed up earlier. Obviously, got packing slip, but it's got my address on it, so whatever. So I've got a Sundog soft case. Those are nice. What is that? Looks like a head cover. Oh, so that's a head cover, but it's for your sunglasses. That's pretty cool. Let me open that up. Sorry, y'all, I don't have my tripod, so doing this one-handed. It's that Sundog Eyewear on there. It's got a magnetic ball marker. Uh-oh, dropped it. It's got a magnetic ball marker that clips on, and that's for your sunglasses. This is a sunglass case. That is pretty stinking cool. Sundog custom. And the 2 pair that I requested, this one is the Billy 83 True Blue polished. That's what this is. Those are slick. I like these already. So these are the polarized. It's a True Blue polished. True Blue polarized. Let's see if it'll focus in. You can see the polarized in it. It's got some little facts about it. Their technology they're using. The wind is not cooperating. So these are pretty awesome. I'll have to check how they fit and get some pictures. And the other pair, these are called the Propel, is what I'd requested. Oh yeah, I really like those. These are just with the true blue tech. I can't talk today. Some golfers out there right now. These are the True Blue Tech non-polarized. So we get some measurements, see like temple width and whatnot. Man, I really like these. I'm gonna have to test these out. Let me get some pictures. Anyways, thanks Sundogs, Mygolfspy, for picking me as a tester. Look forward to digging into these, see how they fit, durability, see how they look. Focus. Oh yeah, I like those. Those should be pretty good. I'll update as I go.